Well, hello, it's Bears back. Yeah, I know what you're saying. I know what you're thinking. Of course it's Bears back. Nobody else wants to be. I understand. But I do have a lock for you today. This is LSDAMN. Pinned by West Coast Picks. I don't know. Is that French Canadian or does that mean last shot? Damn it. I don't know. Somebody clue me in. But there's the bit tune on your key. And we're going to try to get into this today. It's got a little hiccup right there in the middle. And I'm guessing, I'm just spitballing for you, that it's T-pin or something like that. Let's go ahead and I'm going to go on the bottom of the keyway because it's got such a wide top. As you can see that first pin. So we're going to go this way. Now a lot of people have asked me about running from the front to the back or the back to the front, which is better. I don't think it really matters, guys. You just got to work the pins either way. You can start this way and continue this way, or you can run that way and come back and go that way and come back, or you can start this way. It doesn't really matter. You're just finding the pins that bind or give you a little click, like that one just did. Ones that give you counter. Things like that. You just got to feel the pins and work them to find out where you're at. And sometimes, of course, you're going to overset and have to start over. Now I got some of that. I got hung up and then I got a little drop on it. I got another drop right there as I'm working the pick forward. Got some counter and I got a little drop on that. I had counter there, but it didn't do anything. Got some back here. I got a little click on it. Got a little click on the next one. Oh, I got a big drop on that one. Baby, you're not going outside. Stop it. And we're open. Okay. Very nice. You just got to work the pins as you see them, as you feel them. So yeah, let's see what we can do here. I like these short little ones. What I've been doing with my challenge locks, I haven't made any in a while, but when I get those challenge locks with the big tail pieces of mine, I don't do it to anybody else's but mine. They got this big tail piece that sticks out all the way up here that if you put it in a vise, it just hangs up when you turn a little bit. What I do is I get them and I cut them off just right above here, right around there, so that because they're not going to be used in a lock anymore. They're not going to be. I just cut them off like that, so this big piece isn't sticking up anymore, and you can put them in a vise and all that stuff. Even though I don't use a vise hardly ever, that is what I do now. So let's. Oh man, this one's tight. No tolerances here. Tight tolerances is what we got. Oh man, that just doesn't even want to go in. Shoot. Let's turn that back a little bit. Maybe I can get. Oh man. Wow. Holy cow, guys, it's not going to go. Ow. It's just making it too tight. I'm just going to have to hope for luck and take a shot on it. And it worked. Ooh, nice. Okay, there are your pins. Let's run the key in there. There you go. You can see that. Yeah, look at that one. Reduced diameter on that key pin. Alrighty. Get one more out here. Hope you can see that. I think I got them all the right way. Wait a minute. Take a look at this one. Ooh. I think that one goes in like that. And let's take a look. Looks like we got threading in number 5. Doesn't look like there's anything else done to any of the other chambers. Smooth, 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 smooth. Okay, just threading in number 5. And we shall go upstairs. Oh, nice. Hey, if everything went smooth all the time, you wouldn't know what bad was. And if everything went bad all the time, you wouldn't know what good was. Wow, these are some really nice pins, man. Hey, spring came out. Didn't have to dig. Okay, let's see what's up top. I don't see any mods in the top at all. No. Okay, so this is LSDAMN pinned by West Coast Picks. Here's your springs. They all look pretty close to the same. And you got a spool, serrated, both, double serration, and a pin and pin, and a tall serration. That's more of a trap, and then standard and a nice long spool with serrations in it. One serration in the top of this and one serration in the bottom, and then another spool. So that's what we got for this lock, and thank you for watching. Have fun, guys, and stay legal. Okay, bye.